Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda Grom. When it comes to choosing the perfect motorcycle for beginners, the Honda Grom stands out as an exceptional choice. With its compact size, approachable power, and playful nature, the Grom offers a unique and enjoyable experience for new riders. In this article, we will delve into the key features and reasons why the Honda Grom is considered the best motorcycle for beginners. Compact and lightweight. The Honda Grom is designed with simplicity and maneuverability in mind. Its small and lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, even for riders with limited experience. Novice riders can confidently navigate through traffic, practice low-speed maneuvers, and manage tight parking spaces without feeling overwhelmed. Ideal for learning. The Grom's low seat height and unintimidating design are perfect for those new to motorcycling. Riders can comfortably reach the ground with their feet, providing a sense of security and control. This makes it an excellent platform for learning and building essential riding skills. User-friendly power. The Grom is powered by a 124cc single-cylinder engine, providing just the right amount of power for beginners. It offers a smooth and predictable power delivery that allows riders to gain confidence gradually without experiencing intimidating acceleration. This user-friendly power is perfect for honing riding skills and building experience. Economical and fuel-efficient. For beginners, the cost of ownership is a critical consideration. The Honda Grom excels in terms of fuel efficiency, offering impressive miles per gallon. Its efficient engine design ensures that riders can enjoy extended rides without breaking the bank on fuel costs. Fun and playful ride. While the Grom is an excellent tool for learning, it is also known for delivering a fun and playful riding experience. Its compact size and agile handling make it a joy to ride, whether you're commuting through the city or enjoying a leisurely cruise on backroads. The Grom's spirited nature ensures that beginners have a blast while learning. Customization options. Despite its small size, the Honda Grom has a vibrant aftermarket community that offers a wide range of customization options. Riders can personalize their Grom with various accessories and modifications, allowing them to express their individual style and preferences as they gain experience. Strong resale value. Honda motorcycles, including the Grom, tend to retain their value well over time. This is advantageous for beginners who may eventually want to trade up to a larger bike or explore different styles of motorcycles. The strong resale value ensures that the Grom remains a valuable asset. Community and support. The Grom has fostered a passionate community of riders who share their experiences, advice, and insights online and at local meetups. This sense of community can be invaluable for beginners, as it provides a support network of experienced riders willing to offer guidance and mentorship. Versatility. While the Grom is often associated with urban and casual riding, it can handle a variety of terrains and situations. Its compact size allows it to navigate through congested city streets effortlessly, but it's also capable of tackling light off-road trails and scenic backroads. This versatility means that beginners can explore different riding environments and styles with a single bike. Safety features. The Honda Grom comes equipped with modern safety features that enhance rider security. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, is available on some models, providing added stability and control during emergency braking situations. These safety features are particularly beneficial for novice riders who are still developing their riding skills. Affordability. The Honda Grom is known for its affordability, making it an attractive option for beginners who want to enter the world of motorcycling without breaking the bank. It offers an excellent balance of price and value, ensuring that new riders get the most out of their investment. Conclusion. The Honda Grom is unquestionably the ultimate motorcycle for novice riders. With its compact size, user-friendly power, playful nature, and affordability, it offers an exceptional introduction to the world of motorcycling. For beginners, the Grom is not just a mode of transportation, it's an invitation to explore the open road and embark on a journey of learning, adventure, and camaraderie. With the Grom, the joy of riding is not limited by experience, it's amplified by the freedom and excitement of two-wheeled exploration. Whether you're navigating city streets, tackling scenic backroads, or customizing your Grom to reflect your unique style, this remarkable motorcycle promises a thrilling and memorable ride for riders of all levels.